Alright, this is kind of part 2. I haven't restarted my computer yet. It's because I forgot I have to install Skype and my Movie Maker software programs. Let's see. And 7-Zip too. Alright, so continuing on, we have 7-Zip, the 64-bit edition. Next. Agree. Next. Next. Install. And while that's doing that, I'll grab my Movie Maker programs. Oh. Let's see. Okay. What's funny is that I only have like 2 or 3 external programs to install. Like, I only have Sony Vegas, Pinnacle Studio, and Logitech Setpoint to install left. I wonder how many times. I don't know how many times I can use the same key over and over again. You know what I should have did? I should have actually wrote down the settings I had for Sony Vegas. Because let's see, for Sony Vegas I've got a custom 1080p codec setting, and then I've got a custom 720p setting too. I'll find that again later. Let's see, do not add Skype. And that's one other thing I'm gonna do as well. I'm gonna, let's see, get rid of everything unnecessary to boot up with my computer. Let's see if I'm right. Skype should be launching. Oh well. Skype doesn't launch. Skype doesn't launch. Ah, there it is. Let's see. Do not call me on Skype, please. I do not want to be bothered. Okay, now that I have Skype installed, I am now going to go to msconfig. Let's see, and then I'm going to get rid of everything that I find unnecessary to install. Let's see, boot services, advanced options. I choose the maximum number of cores so it boots faster. And startup, that, let's see, Avast, we need that, do not need iTunes, do not need QuickTime, do not need Real Player. I don't need the motion picture browser either. SmartWii can go to hell. So that I'll keep for now. Let's see, apply. Accept, yeah. Okay, exit without restart because I still got one last thing to do. Let's see, okay, first off, go back. Oh, bleh, dude. Let's see, my computer. Let's see, documents. Actually, you know what? I think all my renders are on here, are on my documents, so I might have actually saved them. We'll see. See, these are all my documents, like schoolwork, renders, and other stuff like that. And then now, this is my videos. I mean, my music. Yes, it is 5.2 gigabytes, and because it's that long, I'm gonna go pee. Okay, I'm back after a while. Sorry that took so long. It's just that I've been doing a few things behind your guys' back. Let's see, I installed the flash player for, whoops, I didn't mean to unplug that hard drive. I installed Flash Player. I installed Acrobat. Now the only thing left I have to install is Silverlight. Let's see then, get rid of that too. Let's see, installing. Wonder what it's gonna do. Isn't this just so interesting? Let's see. That's weird. I do not need McAfee. I'm gonna have to get rid of that later. Waiting. Here, I'll pause the video again. Okay, it's 100% and it's 100% done. Let's see. Yeah, gotta wait for that, I guess. Is that it? Yep, that's it. Shouldn't take too long. Adobe Reader 10. If anybody's wondering why that X is there. Ay. Oh good, deleted. There we go. 4 seconds, but then it goes to 6, then it goes to 4, then it goes to 10. Blah blah blah. No. Deny. And deny. It says it again. Okay. Deny. And close that. And one more time. What do we say? Deny. Okay, next we have last thing. Plug and check. I just updated that, so I'm gonna ignore it. Silverlight, install for Windows. Takes a few seconds. Next, okay. Install right now. I mean, I like the logo here. It looks pretty cool. I think that's it. Let's see now. External software. Here we come. Oh wait, one more thing. Okay, now I'm downloading the Windows 7 Toolkit. What I'm going to do with this is that I'm going to unlock the full arrow, and you'll see what I mean when I download it, which will be in a minute. Okay, now on with the toolkit. Next. I'm not even sure what the current version of it is. And I'm going to get rid of McAfee, but I'll do it later. Win 7 Vista. Let's see. Where is it? Visual tweaks. Okay, first off, enable full frame transparency. if you just saw that, my screen didn't flicker, and now you can actually see completely through, which I love. Let's see. And then there's another one here. Let's see. Oh, additional tweaks. It was something about, here we are. Speed up thumbnail tool. Just speed this up. I like that one the best. Let's see, anything else I'm missing? Not really. And close. Of course. Yeah. It's okay. Alright, next. On with the external software. I'm going to start with the little stuff, starting with Logitech Setpoint. I'll update it to the current version later. Let's see, getting out of the case. Now I'm going to put it in. The disk tray is now closed. Then after I'm going to install Vegas, then I'm going to install Pinnacle. Let's see. Run. Next. Agree. Next. I'll try it. And now it's installing. It shouldn't take that long. I'll plug in everything else later. I've got a Logitech keyboard, I've got a Logitech mouse, and I got a Logitech headset. Used to have an old gaming pad by them, but it doesn't work anymore, so I threw it out. And I'll pause it for a sec. I said I'd pause it for a second. 84%, my cat came back. Okay, so now we finally got somewhere. It took a couple minutes, but I finally got Logitech Setpoint to install. Now all I have to do later is just grab my mouse and keyboard and plug it in. Now what we're going to do is install Sony Vegas. Let's see. Get rid of that. Let's see. Here's Vegas. Putting in the disc. There we go. And obviously I'm going to pause it when I have to put in the product key. Okay, that music is annoying. Okay, finally. Let's see. Next. I have read the agreement. Next. Install. Next. What's funny is that the trial version of Sony Vegas is actually the real version, but all you need is a product key. So what I'm basically doing here is installing the trial version, quote unquote, even though it's on a disc. And all you have to do to not get to a, yeah, you heard me. Let's see, finish. No, I will not reboot. I'll do that later. Now what we're going to do is install Pinnacle, aka the Dazzle DVC 107 driver software. Alright, let's see. Now on to Pinnacle, which is also in a little sleeve. But first, I'll find the Dazzle's drivers on here. Let's see, first, open, let's see, drivers. Let's see, this is the driver for the Dazzle. If I need to plug it in, I will. Ah, come on, Katie. I hate it when my cat lays on my vent. Next, install. Okay. And now, here we are. Come on, kitty, stop it. Bad kitty. It's a bad Mr. Kitty. I smack him on the head. You will respect my authority. Kitty, 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 kitty. It's a fat Mr. Kitty. Yep, and here's where I paused the video, folks. Okay, we know that Pinnacle Studio works. Let's see. Next. Accept. Next. Next. Just me. No quick launch. You know, I don't even know why they add that anymore. There is no quick launch bar if you count this. The disc is starting to spin again. Let's see. Here, I'll pause the video for you guys. Okay, here, it's almost done. For a few more things. Status. There is no status. Oh, removing backup files, whatever those could possibly be. Ooh. Why do I guess this is going to be uploaded on Friday? Kitty. My cat's weird. I'll be right back. Okay, Pinnacle is finally done. Now, I seriously think I have to restart. What I'm going to do here is eject the disk. And now I'm going to cut the video here and see you guys in part 3 maybe.